So here's a bunch of pocket knives. The top one, Ambassador Knife Collections 25, Imperials 20, a knife for 10, one for 50, the small one for 20. The next one's 25, 49 for the Plymouth American, the no name's 20. The next one's 20, and 25 for the Imperial. There's some big sword along the back. It's 95, it's a bayonet. In front of it, some knives. And the antique one for 35 is the black one with the nameplate. The red is a stock ale. In front of it's 25. The red checkered is 10. The one in front's Richard is 25. The one in front's another 25, 20, 10, 10, 15, 20. Over here at the very front, silver is a textile Millennium Service 20. Above it, with a bit of a dent, is 12, 15, 20 for the red USA prop, 10 knife, 15 for the Imperial, and then 15 for the small one. Then there's a couple spots empty, then it goes to 20. Above it's 10. And the one off by itself is 18. It's an Olsen USA pocket knife. Top big one's 10. Below it's 12 and 40 for the Sheffield. The Germany one's 40. 15 for the unmarked. And 39. The one with the corkscrew, the Sheffield's 25, and the one at the very front is 15. So that's a large assortment of pocket knives. Many are old, some are advertising, some are named, some are unnamed. Over here we have the one for 59, a military one, 65 for the bone one. And there's a sterling bird's eye pipe. It's nothing to do with knives. And here's a bunch of little knives for 40 each. They're miniatures, very small, hard to find. There's an advertising one, Kitchener, for 25. Way up here is a stainless Japan for 25. Beside it's a Maximum for 15. And behind all that looks like a Mastercraft for 15. Those little ones are neat. Great colors. They could be used around your neck as little pocket knives, necklaces. And the one in front, that little tiny one, is the tiniest one I've ever seen. Very neat. So these can be bought at Strathroy Antique Mall, 39 Front Street East. It's worth the drive. There's over 21,000 square feet. This is just one little display in one section. You can see how little that was. The mall starts over there, comes all the way over. It's long, like that. This is just the front showrooms. But you can see there's lots more knives in here. You just got to go down the aisles to find it. There might be, in here is mostly locks. You could look at some of those. There's a lot of locks and keys. They're all different prices. They have all different names. Some are brass, solid. There's locks or keys. Some are just amazing locks. Lots of keys, so if you have a lock and you need a key, you bring it in here, I'm sure you can find it. Or if you just want a key around your neck, a key for your door, you can bring your door lock in. There's a person here that knows a lot about keys, he could help you. This is CNR lock, it's $75. There's a Germany one for $10, a Yale for $10. There's some rusty ones, some good ones, some Mastery, some Reese, just some weird ones. Look at that weird one. Looks like a, I don't know, iron, antique iron. There's some with patent dates, some without, just weird shapes. Lots of keys. Many of the keys are named too. Some are brass, metal, steel. They're all different shapes too. There's official ones. The topaz. Tons of locks and keys. So we're open every day till 5. Strathroy Antique Mall, worth your drive. CNR lock and key. An elephant on one front. More CNR. Champion. Brass. One with an S and Yale. Official.